Hello fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing? So I'm pretty excited for this video because today we're going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing, and I'm pretty excited about this one because I got my tracking and I was just waiting for the box to come in the mail. And I walked in my kitchen today and it was sitting on the counter and it was like this gigantic box, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I am so intrigued on what the heck is in the box. It's not even like heavy or anything, it's just the biggest Boxycharm box I've ever gotten. And I am affiliated with Boxycharm, so I'm not sure. I guess when I open it up, we'll see if it's just the regular box or what. I don't know because I don't have any control about what gets sent to me. But I'm super excited to dig in. I actually did not open it yet, which is a miracle because pretty much every single time I open it beforehand because I am like a child at Christmas who looks for their presents early, which I did, by the way, pretty much every single year, and normally I was successful at finding them, so I have no patience. But I actually waited today because I was just like, oh my gosh, it's gigantic. So let's just go ahead and jump on into it together. I haven't seen any sneak peeks or spoilers this month, which again is pretty crazy because normally I see those before I get my box. So I'm just gonna go ahead, start cutting. Actually, you know what? I'm using my little brow scissors and I have a real pair of scissors here. I'm a mess. So it looks like the theme this month is pretty edgy. I'm not even gonna look at the thing, I'm just gonna go ahead and jump on in here. Okay. I feel like the box is like way unnecessarily big. Like all of this could have fit in a smaller box. Let's see. So the first thing here I'm just gonna pull out is the Living Color palette. Oh, this is from Hank and Henry. Oh, awesome. Okay, I'm excited. Okay, let's see. I don't even know what it looks like, but I know I saw them sneak peeking some different palettes. I want to say like a month back or so. I've never tried any eyeshadows from Hank and Henry. Oh, okay. I'm less excited seeing the inside. Okay, so it is like super bulky packaging, and then like the little squares to the side, and I mean, it's okay. It's kind of like a neutral palette with some pops of blue. I really don't like the packaging of this at all. Part of me wants to swatch it. Part of me wants to like give it a chance because I haven't tried the brand at all. But then at the same time, like I really don't like the packaging of this. And the color story isn't like anything super special to me. So I guess you'll have to let me know if you want to see me do a separate video on this palette. I don't wanna touch it unless I'm gonna like actually do something with it, because then I would like ruin it and I could give it to someone who will like it more than I do because it's just super chunky. So that is retailing for $27. Well, I did have a phone. Okay. Let me keep track of this. And also, I feel like I should mention, just because of my reaction to that product, sometimes I get comments that I'm like super picky or too negative in my Boxycharm videos, and honestly it's because I get it for free, so I try to be a little bit more nitpicky because I try to view it from the point of view of someone who actually paid $21, or actually it's like $25 now, so I look at it as, if I paid $25 for this box, would I be happy or not? Majority of the time is a yes, but I just feel like I need to be honest. Alright, so next, this is from Spongel, and this is the Body Wash Infused Buffer. No idea what this is. It says it retails for $16. So it says the Spongel's unique body wash infused buffers change instantly underwater as you squeeze, from a sensual exfoliating massage texture to as soft as silk. Our patented technology provides a guaranteed number of 14 washes. That's actually really expensive in my opinion, so $16 for like 2 weeks of showers, that's it. So, I mean, I guess maybe it's not something you use every day. That's so interesting. So I guess it's soap in a thing. It doesn't smell good. It just smells like soap. So, I don't know. I don't know how to feel about that. That's a very interesting, weird product. Alright, so next I'm pulling out something from Murad, and this is their Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. It retails for $70. So, high ticket item here. Okay, so I actually am excited about this because I've heard good things about Murad. I've never really tried anything from them. They are more of an expensive skincare brand. It looks like this is full size, obviously, and it's an eye cream. It has hyaluronic acid, algae extract, so I will definitely use this. I'm using a Tarte eye cream right now, which I really like because it's super great for my sensitive skin, but I will bring this into rotation because I love eye cream. Oh yeah, and that's a lot of product. That'll take for a while to go through. It doesn't smell like anything, which is good because I feel like, I don't know about anyone else, but I'm super, super sensitive about my eye creams. They can really upset my under eyes, or I'll wake up with my eyes puffy or burning, just all kinds of things with different eye creams. So I'm excited to try that one out. I feel like this is kind of the same thing as last month, where it's just all like kind of okay products, and then it's like a super expensive skincare product that kind of pulls the value up. So like I said, that retailed for $70, which that's definitely the thing I'm most excited about so far. All right, next we just have two more items here. This one is from Kat Von D. I mean, it says Kat Von D here, but I'm pretty sure it's like kindness, vegan, beauty, doing good, something, 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 just the worst name ever. So this has not been repackaged or anything. It's their signature brow precision pencil, and it's the shade Blonde. Huh. Actually, this might work for me because I had one of their like little, like the little ones that look like an eyeliner, but it was for your brows, and I'm pretty sure I had the shade Blonde, and it worked for my brows because it had a little bit more warmth in it. I think this is the first time I've ever gotten a Boxycharm brow product that I think will actually work for me. Let me see. Okay, that's like super harsh. What the heck? Oh gosh. That can't be right. That is that. Okay, that's me trying to swatch it. I don't know if you can tell. Literally almost no color is coming off, and I feel like I'm literally scratching my skin. Like it looks like it's white, and it's like, do you see that? Do you see that? It doesn't even have a color to it. It's not even, is that even a pencil? I just snapped it off, and it is literally so hard. That's crazy. I feel like, I don't know, maybe it's an old product. Let me put some more up. No, that literally hurts my hand. I mean, I got a little tiny bit of color payoff, but it is a really hard pencil. I don't know if it's just bad, if it's old, if that's what the formula is supposed to be like, but I'm highly unimpressed by that. So that one retails for $21. Okay. All right, so the last thing in the box here is the Becca Glow Gloss in the shade Champagne Creme, and this retails for $22, and I'm like kind of just okay about it. I have a few shades of the Becca glosses because I got them, I want to say like a year ago at maybe TJ Maxx for like $6 each. So not super impressed with this being in here. This is just more of like, I don't know, it's more of a champagne color. I don't know. Actually, maybe I'll give that to my mom. I feel like she would get more use out of it. I already have so many glosses I already love, and the formula is fine to me. It's not a bad formula by any means, but it's not a favorite either. So, I mean, that's nice if you like gloss. It's just, it looks like a neutral shade, just a little bit of a golden kind of shimmeriness to it. So, the total value for this month's box is $156, and I have to say I'm not super impressed. I'm actually pretty disappointed because at first I was like, dang, what a giant box, like what is in here? Even if you put all the products in here, like I don't understand why they used such a big box, because I could literally get all that to fit in like that little tiny corner. So I don't really know what was going on there. Maybe they like ran out of smaller boxes or something, but kind of just feel lackluster about this. The only thing I'm really excited about in this box is the eye cream. So that's how I feel. I'm sorry again for being kind of negative, but I just want to be honest. If I paid for this box, I would be disappointed because there's only one item I'm really super jazzed about. So that is everything for today's little quick unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. I'd love to know what you got in your Boxycharm this month if you are subscribed, and if you like your box or not, because I think it's always interesting to hear. It really is just super personal preference, because there are months where I like love everything and I see people comment and say that they hated everything, and then like vice versa. So it's just the name of the game with subscription boxes. But I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.